Finally, that boring class was over. I'm so bored now, lunchtime is so useless. I could pull up the fire alarm again. That would be so funny. Time to pull it.
Tee Zeng, what are you doing?
Loser, I was trying to pull the fire alarm, but it was just a prank.
Are you out of your mind, Tee Zeng? You know that pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire is dangerous. Go home right now. There. No fire for a whole of school. I'm going to tell my sisters.
Johnny, you certainly helped out well in school today. I agree with my sister. And for that, you're ungrounded.
Thanks, Mary and Sue.